Okay guys, hello. Today we are into bookholding. So I show you the process how you get the bookholding for the quartal into Orchestra. So here you see me already working in records and incoming invoices. I have on the other side a folder where you can find in the drive you find the invoices. So these are the invoices that we paid. So these invoices are going into the records incoming invoices. So here you just put the amount into the proper way. Like in this case it is a bill that has, I don't know if you can see that bill here. So this bill is splitted into sums, like there is a sum with USD with watt, and there is a sum without watt. So I'm implementing at the moment the sum without watt, so I give 0% watt. I give the invoice number here, and I say the dates are also important here to be entered. This is 12th of January. So the tax date, they can differ a little. In this case I give it all the same: delivery date, due date. And then we add this PDF to this invoice. So here in the on top you have the provider. If the provider is not implemented, you have to implement him here in the providers list, and then he will pop up. So it's overhead costs. That means all the costs that we had regarding so he's warning here because it's the same PDF file, but that's okay. Yes, that's okay. So checked, and then you push the button checked. Also, that's maybe something you don't do. Oh, no, you don't see it. So let me show you again. What I was explaining is here the dates, here the provider, and here you go without VAT. So please always double check if everything is okay, and then you can mark it as checked, or you wait me to mark it as checked. So first of all, you implement it here, and I go through it again. So again, incoming invoices. We go to the next invoice, which is the Anke. Yeah, I have it already here. So this is already done. So let's go to the next invoice. This is the DAS. This is already done. Then we have this invoice. So here, for example, we have to surely set up the provider first. So in this case, we have this invoice here, and we have this provider, which is print. So let's go into it and see if we can make up the provider quickly. So we go on plus company, type in the provider's name, then the address, Oh, that was wrong. So again. So this is it. The business name is print. Then we have the VAT number, goes here. And then here on the ID we always have to push anything. Then I guess they need a name. So let's go for the email address. Email address. Okay, save. All right, country. Austria. Save. Okay, now the provider is implemented. So if I have new providers, I directly also implement them into our fact sheet, leads sheet. So we can go to leads. And where are the leads? Here they are. And we have them under warm providers tracking. So let's see. So this is the address. Email address. So we can also implement these people as a client. So here we can already type yes. Here as yes, and here as client it's no. Okay, but this is just a side task. So we want to continue to implement this provider now into a billing invoicing. So we have so we had, which amount did we have? We had like 375, 450. Invoice number was this one. Date was 31 of January. Perfect, so we're done. So save, scanned copy, we put the same one in and checked. Next. So we had these payments already implemented. So here is another one. Which is 62 euros. As you can see here. So this is again to this Meyerhofer. So we make it up again. Again, it is invoice number, then we have the amount without VAT. That should be it. It was built 10th first, 10th first, 10th first, 10th first, and done. So just take care that you always put the second copy. I don't know why they need it, but okay. So January is, I think, kind of done. Yeah, this one we already have. So let's go to February. Here we have a cash expense, but I think that goes into the cash expenses. So this is something different. Here we have a bill from the EU Congress, which we already implemented. So February was calm. And then we go to April. We have again this DAS insurance. We have again the Anker. And this is now a case which is more complicated. So this is something I have to check. So let's go to the cash expenses and try this out. So we have overhead. We have name of costs. We have bar expenses, taxi, train, parking. So it should be somewhere here. Amount, like let's try this. This is 74, 74.69. without VAT. With a VAT, it's how much VAT is it? Here is net 60. $60.92. Okay, so this is train parking. Okay. Save. All right. So this is how it works, like the record section here. Outgoing invoices, I have implemented those that we received. Like outgoing invoices means the incomes we had. So me is missing just one that I'm just thinking about. We had one client in Czech Republic which we paid. So let me see. Where is he? Client. So it was this one. Yeah, so this was the one. So we did pay this bill. So this should go into the bill section. It was in March. So again, we go to invoices, incoming invoices, because we paid. So we have the solution provider. Let's see if we already have him in our list, hopefully. No. Okay, we have to implement him. So again, a process, we click on plus, company name, then we have like a contact person. Where is the contact person? Here. We have a email address and a phone number. Then we have a VAT number. I guess it's this one. So save. Okay, the billing address. Czech Republic. Okay, implemented. So let's refresh here. And here we go. We go with the amount that we paid. So in this case, I'm not sure again how much it was in euro. Let's see, 775. So this I have to double check. And then it was without VAT because it was reverse charge, I guess. Should be written somewhere here. Yeah, I have to double check this for a second. Give me a second. I have to log in the other system here. And see the bank account. So we did send $758 plus 22. So we did send 781. All right. Invoice number. And invoice attach. And we're done. Easy cheesy. Checked. Everything checked. Aha, the date. Cancel check. So if you find something wrong here like this, we have to cancel the check and go again for the invoice. So it's 329 29 3 29 3. All right, so this is it. So you see the list, you see the numbers, and so on and so on. So yeah, thanks for helping and stay tuned.